In this video, I'm going to talk about Historian Client Portal. In the portal, we have an overall view of our installations. We can take a look at health of our Historian installation and collectors. We can also take a look at resource usage statistics of our Historian installation and collectors. We can set up some alerts and notifications to be notified whenever a certain issue occurs, and we can also manage our licenses. When we log into the portal, the first thing we are going to see is the Overview tab, where we have a world map that shows where our installations located and which installations are where. Underneath our world map, we have an alerts section where we can see all of the alerts for all of our installations. We can choose to filter our alerts based on the product instances, the status of the alert, or the type of the alert. We can also show the inactive alerts as well with this selection. When we navigate to installations, we will have a list of installations in our organization, and we have the status of our installation. Whether there is a problem or not is defined, indicated with the status here. We can see a total number of alerts that are occurring in our installation. We can see the last seen of our installation with the heartbeat column, and we also have a version and type indication for our installations. We have a tree-like structure, so once we click on one installation, we will be able to see all of the organizations that are within that installation, and we can see that the type has changed to organization here. And once we go into an organization, we will be able to list all of the collectors that are installed within that organization. For example, we have a demo collector which has a version and a collector type indicated. When we click on the I button to have a more detailed view of our installation, we have an installation specific alerts section here, and underneath that, we have license information section where we can manage our license, get some license tokens. We can check the expiry date of our license, and we can see the usage of how many collectors we have left, how many organizations we have, and also whether the license is active or not. And afterwards, we have the Alert Configurations tab, where we can configure some alerts for our installation, which we are going to explain in later sections of the training.